lattice ladder structure. Okay, so this is the structure actually. In this way you have to form. They'll be giving an equation like this. You have to solve and get it in this way. Let us see how it is. So linear time invariant system is defined by h of z is equal to 0.129 plus 0.3867 z inverse plus 0.3869 z raised to minus 2 plus 0.129 z raised to minus 3 divided by 1 minus 0.2971 z inverse plus 0.3564 z raised to minus 2 minus 0.0276 z raised to minus 3. So realize the above IIR transfer function using lattice ladder structure. So now let h of z is equal to b of z divided by a of z. So what is a of z? It is the denominator. So 1 minus 0.2971 z inverse plus 0. This equation, the denominator. And what is b of z? The numerator. Okay. So the lattice coefficient for a of z are found as follows. So again, the previous what we have seen, the same thing, Km is equal to Am of m. Okay, if suppose K2 means it is equal to A2 of 2. If it is K3 means A3 of 3. Okay, so this is the formula. I think it is the same formula as the previous one. So now here n is equal to 3 as we are having 3 poles in h of z. Okay, so now K3 is equal to A3 of 3, which is equal to 0.00276. So what is this one? It is A3 of 0, this is A3 of 1, this is A3 of 2, and this one will be your A3 of 3. Okay, so this one is your A3 of 3. So what it is? A3 of 3 is equal to minus 0.0276. What it is? It is nothing but K3. Okay. Now A2 of 1, what is the formula? A2 of 1 will be equal to A3 of 1 minus A3 of 3 into A3 of 2 divided by 1 minus K3 square. Same, the previous what we have seen for FIR lattice structure, it is the same thing. So A2 of 1 is equal to substitute for this, and what we'll be getting, it is minus 0.2875. Okay, in the same way, this is for I is equal to 1, for I is equal to 2. Since m is equal to 3, it varies from I is equal to 1 till m minus 1. That is 3 minus 1, it will be 2. So you have to do for I is equal to 1 and I is equal to 2. So I is equal to 1 you have done. Calculate for I is equal to 2. A2 of 2 is equal to A3 of 2 minus A3 of 3 into A3 of 1 divided by 1 minus K3 square. Okay. So substitute for this one. You will be getting this equation, this value. Next, for m is equal to 2. For m is equal to 2, K2 is equal to A2 of 2 that we have got here. That is equal to 0.3485. So when m is equal to 2, for I is equal to 1, you have to calculate because I will vary from 1 till m minus 1. M minus 1 means 2 minus 1, it is 1. So only for I is equal to 1, you will be finding it out. So A1 of 1 will be equal to A2 of 1 minus A2 of 2 into A2 of 1 divided by 1 minus K2 square. If you want, you can remember the formula, this formula, and you can substitute for I is equal to 1. Else, you can remember this directly. A1 of 1 will be equal to A2 of 1 minus A2 of 2 into A2 of 1. Okay. So that is equal to minus 0.2132. a1 of 1. So when it is a1 of 1, what will be your k1? It is nothing but a1 of 1, that is equal to minus 0.2132. In the lattice structure, you have to find out beta 1, beta naught, beta 1, beta 2, beta whatever it is. You have find out k1, k2 and k3. Okay, since there are 3 poles, since there are 3 delays. Okay. So now find out beta. So this is the formula you have to remember. Beta I is equal to Bi minus summation m is equal to I plus 1 till m. So that into beta m into am into m minus I. So you need to remember this formula. Okay. So where I is equal to m minus 1 till 0. So now since we have 3 zeros in h of z, we take m is equal to 3. Okay. So beta 3 is equal to B3. So what is B3? It is 0.129. So that is this one. Okay. That is this one. So now I'll calculate for I is equal to 3 now. So I is equal to 2 now. So when I is equal to 2, beta 2 is equal to B2 minus summation m is equal to 2 plus 1, it is 3 till 3. So beta m into am into m minus 2. Okay. So that is nothing but B2 minus beta 3 into A3 of 1. Okay. It is 3 minus 2. It is 1. Okay. So now substitute for B2, substitute for beta 3 and A3 of 1 we know. Substitute and calculate this one. So B2 is what? That is 0.3867. 1 second. So substitute, you will be getting this one. So in the same way, for I is equal to 2 we have done, for I is equal to 1 and I is equal to 0, you calculate and you will be getting. Sorry, this one will be your B0, this one will be your B1, this one will be your B2 and this one will be your B3. Okay. So substitute and you will be getting these answers. So now put the lattice structure. Since there are 3 delays, we will be taking 3 Z inverse. Here Z inverse, Z inverse, Z inverse. And put the summation block like this. Okay, like this. Like this. So this one will be your K1, this one will be your K2 and this one will be your K3. So this one will be your B0, this beta naught, this one will be your beta 1, this one will be your beta 2 and this one will be your beta 3. So summation blocks here also. And this one will be your y of n and here it will be your x of n. Got? Understood? So let's explain once again. Shall I explain once again or not required?
Explain, ma'am, once again.
So a linear time invariant, they have given h of z and they have told us to draw the IIR transfer function using lattice ladder structure. For that, what we want is, since there are 3 zeros and since there are 3 poles, okay, so that means we want K3, K2, K1, and we want beta naught, beta 1, beta 2 and beta 3. So these are the coefficients which we have to find out to draw the IIR transfer function. Okay, IIR lattice ladder structure. So this is called as the lattice structure and this is called as the ladder. Okay, so it is in combined called as lattice ladder structure. See here, since there are 3 digits in the numerator side as well as in the denominator side. So there are 3 poles and 3 zeros. So we want K1, K2 and K3. And we want beta naught, we want beta 1, we want beta 2 and beta 3. Okay. So these are the 6 coefficients. 7 coefficients what we have to find out. So now so this one will be your A3 of 0, this one will be your A3 of 1, this one will be your A3 of 2, okay, this one will be your A3 of 3. In the same way, this one will be your B0, B1, B2 and B3. It is not beta, it is B, okay, that we have in the formula. So now we know these formulas. Km is equal to Am of m, that is K3 is equal to A3 of 3. That is nothing but this one. Okay, that is nothing but this one. Since this is A3 of 0, this is A3 of 1, A3 of 2 and A3 of 3. Okay, so we have got K3. So we need to find out K2 and K1. For that we are having formula. K2 is what? It is nothing but A2 of 2. K1 is what? A1 of 1. So for that we have this formula. Okay, so now here n is equal to 3 since there are 3 poles. Okay. So where m is equal to, it varies from n minus 1 till 2 and 1. Okay. From 3 we will start. 3, 2, 1 we have to do for m is equal to 3. So K3 is equal to, you substitute here, it is nothing but m is equal to 3, A3 of 3, that is equal to minus 0.0276. Okay. So 3 minus 1 what it is? 2. So A2 of I is equal to A3 of I minus A3 of 3 into A3 of 3 minus I. So where I varies from 1 till m minus 1. What is m? It is 3. So 3 minus 1 it is 2. So 1 and 2 we have to find out. So this is the general formula. So now we'll find out A2 of 1 first. So A2 of 1, you substitute here and you'll be getting this one. Okay. Next for A2 of 2, substitute in this, you will be getting this one. Okay. So A2 of 2 we know that is nothing but your K2. Okay. A2 of 2 we know that is nothing but K2. Again in this above, substitute for m is equal to 2. Okay. When you substitute for m is equal to 2, I varies from 1 till m minus 1. That is 2 minus 1, it is 1. So I will vary for only 1. So what you want is A1 of 1 only. So substitute and you will be getting this one, A1 of 1. Okay. K1. So we have got K1, we have got K2, we have got K3. So next what we want is beta 1, beta 2, beta 3 and beta naught. Okay. So since we have 3 zeros in h of z, we take m is equal to 3. These formulas you all remember very well so that it will be easy to calculate. So beta 3 is equal to B3, that is equal to 0.129. So substitute I, that is 3, 2, 1 and 0 since we want till B0. Okay. Like this. Now draw the structure like this and substitute for K1, K2 and K3. So next question. Find the lattice ladder structure for the filter given by the following difference equation. So this can also be written as in Z transform. How can we write? Y of Z, Z inverse Y of Z, Z raised to minus 2 Y of Z. This is X of Z plus 2 Z inverse X of Z. So keep it in this, that is B of Z by A of Z. Okay. Since there are two poles, the same formula. Okay. Since there are two poles in H of Z, n will be equal to 2. So you have to calculate for m is equal to 2 and m is equal to 1. Like this, K2 will be equal to A2 of 2. So since it is two poles we are having, this one will be A2 of 0, A2 of 1, and this one will be your A2 of 2. Okay. So A2 of 2 is nothing but your K2. Same way, do it for A1 of 1. You will get the answer. So that one is nothing but your K1. So we have K1 and we have K2. Okay. So for 0, this is your B0. This is your B0 and this one is your B1. For this one, beta 1 is nothing but your B1, that is equal to 2. Beta naught will be equal to B0 minus summation m is equal to 1 till 1. Substitute in this, you will be getting your beta naught. So that is equal to minus 0.2. So draw the structure in this way. So beta naught and beta 1, K1 and K2. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, madam.
So this problem you take it as assignment and do it. This is a bit lengthier one. If you do, you'll be able to understand this one completely. You do, if you have any doubts, you'll ask me.